सभी सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और आज आप लोगों से बात करेंगे स्टॉक मार्केट के लिए। और आप लोगों ने देखा सेंसेक्स ड्रॉप्स 250 पॉइंट्स, निफ्टी 50 इंच बिलो 25,750, what dropped the Indian stock market down, explain. Finally, the Sensex ended 250 points or 0.30% down at 83,627.69, while the Nifty 50 settled at 25,732.30, down 58 points or 0.22%. The BSE Midcap index slipped 0.16%, but the Smallcap index strongly outperforms, rising 0.46%. Stock market today, the Sensex and Nifty 50 ended with losses on Thursday, January 13, a day after snapping their 5-day losing streak. The Indian stock market benchmark, the Sensex and Nifty 50, resumed their downward march on Thursday, January 13, and the profit booking due to persisting concern over US tariff, foreign capital outflow, and mixed global cues. The 30-share peg Sensex crashed over 60 points or 0.73% to hit an intraday low of 83,262.79, while the NSE counterpart Nifty trades on intraday low of 25,603 falling 0.72%. Finally, the Sensex ended 250 points or 0.30% down at 83,627.69, while the Nifty 50 settled at 25,732.30, down 58 points or 0.22%. The BSE Midcap index slipped 0.16%, but the Smallcap index strongly outperforms, reaching on 0.46%. US tariff remain a key headwind even as expectation of trade deal between India and the US have grown stronger following comments from the US new ambassador to India. Serigo market statement remains cautious due to the uncertainty over the timeline. Goa said that the next call on trade will take place on Thursday. However, media reports that suggested that no formal trade discussions are scheduled this week. Business Today reported, quoting news agency Inform List, there's no India-US trade talk are planned for this week. Meanwhile, US President Donald Trump's tariff tantrums show to a sign of absence as he threatens that any country that does business with Iran will face a 25% tariff. Trump weaponization of the tariff has already impacted global trade and particularly countries when have been targeted with the penal tariff. Trump's listed declaration that the US will impose 25% tariff on countries doing trade with Iran clearly sends out the message that the policy of weaponization of the tariff will continue. PK Vijay Kumar, Chief Investment Strategist, Geojit Investment notes.